Welcome to the build. We're assembling the iconic IKEA Alex drawer unit today. This versatile piece can stand alone, roll on casters, or support your desk setup. First, grab your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a hammer, and some scissors. Make sure you have a soft surface like a rug to prevent scratches. Quick safety tip: never stack these units on top of each other without proper structural support. It's unsafe and can cause damage. Let's check our hardware. You should have various screws, cam lock pins, dowels, and cam locks. Count them out now to ensure nothing is missing. Starting with the side panels, screw in 6 cam lock pins into the pre-drilled holes on the first panel. Use your Phillips head screwdriver for a snug fit. Repeat that for the second side panel. Take your time to ensure they are screwed in straight and fully seated. Now, insert wooden dowels into the remaining smaller holes on both side panels as indicated in the diagram. Don't forget the bottom panel. Insert 12 wooden dowels into the designated holes along its edges. It's time to bring them together. Align the dowels of the bottom panel with the corresponding holes in the side panels and press them firmly together. To hold the frame together, drop 6 cam locks into the large circular holes on the interior of the bottom panel. Grab your screwdriver and give each cam lock a half-turn clockwise. You'll feel it grab the pin and pull the boards together. Next, take your top and bottom structural panels and screw in 12 more cam lock pins into the pre-marked spots. Decide now if you're building a standalone unit or one to support a desk. This choice determines how the back panel is positioned in the next step. Align your assembled side frame with the top panel, making sure all the pins and dowels slide into their places. Carefully slide the thin back panel into the designated grooves on the side pieces until it sits flush. Secure the top assembly by dropping 12 cam locks into the circular holes on the inside of the frame. Tighten all 12 locks with a firm half-turn. Your main cabinet frame should now be solid and sturdy. If you aren't using wheels, grab the 4 plastic feet and peel away the adhesive backing. Press the feet firmly onto the 4 bottom corners of your drawer unit to protect your floors. Let's build the drawers. For the first size, screw 4 cam lock pins into the back side of the drawer front panel. Align the 2 side panels with the pins on the drawer front and push them together tightly. Drop 4 small cam locks into the holes on the inside faces of the drawer sides. Turn the locks clockwise to secure the side panels to the front. Ensure the joint is seamless. Now, slide the thin drawer bottom board into the slots. Push it all the way until it meets the front panel. Place the drawer back panel on top, ensuring the bottom board slides into its groove properly. Use your hammer to tap the plastic pins into the pre-drilled holes on each side to lock the back panel in place. For the second drawer size, start by inserting 2 wooden dowels into the side panels as shown. Just like before, screw 4 cam lock pins into the back of the second drawer front panel. Connect the sides to the front, matching up the wooden dowels and the metal pins. Drop in the cam locks and tighten them up. This drawer style is coming together nicely. Slide in the drawer bottom board until it's fully seated in the grooves of the front and side panels. Position the back panel, ensuring all grooves align perfectly with the bottom board. Finish the drawer assembly by hammering the small plastic pins into the back corners on both sides. If you're using this as a desk support, position your desktop carefully over the top of the cabinet frame. From the inside of the cabinet, use 4 screws and the included hex key to bolt the desktop securely to the Alex unit. Nearly there. Slide each drawer into its designated track. You may need to tilt them slightly to catch the rails. Pull each drawer out about halfway and use 2 small screws to fasten the drawer sides to the metal slide rails. Use your scissors to cut out the anti-slip pads from the provided square of material to the specified 20 mm dimensions. Peel and stick the pads to the top corners for extra stability if you're just resting a tabletop on it. You're all done. Great job on the build.